My name is Waine Messi. I am a creative story writer, a poet, and a voiceover artist. I got to know about the Earn Like a Boss training during my time at the PPK Story Series, where I was a participant. Coach Precious invited me to the training, and I am glad that I decided to attend. I have gone through their lectures for the past 16 days, and I enjoyed every single topic they covered. I loved that they did the training from the bottom to the top, and I really enjoyed my time. I have learned how to brand myself better as a writer. I have learned how to set better pricing packages for my services, and I have learned tricks to draw myself closer to my clients. So if you are looking for value, if you are looking to be at the top of your game, I suggest that you meet Storytellers Orbit.